Hi my loves, how's it going? So I wanted to do a little pick a card for you guys. I have never done one before. I just did one before this, but I thought maybe you guys could let me know in the comments if you like it or not, okay? So here's option number 1, option number 2, and option number 3 for you guys. And if you guys need to, go ahead and pause the video so that you can pick your card. But I'm going to go ahead and start with the first one. The first card, if you guys chose the first card, it says reflection. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. For those of you that pick card number 2, your card says, when it comes to matters of the heart, there is no right or wrong. Every choice you make expands your understanding of life and of love. That's pretty. And for card number 3, you guys got, don't make decisions based on guilt or what you think you should do, for it is only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. So true. That's beautiful. Alright, my love, so that is your guys' Love Oracles pick a card. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if it resonates with you. Thank you.